Hello GATE aspirants, welcome to Jobs and Education. In this video, I am showing you how to apply for GATE 2026 because GATE 2026 application has started. So I'll show you how to apply step by step procedure. Open the Google Chrome. After that, search GATE 2026. So select this first website. Click on this application portal. So after opening your application portal, you will get this enrollment ID, password. Click on login if you have enrollment ID and password. If you are new user, click on this register here. So in the new registration, enter your name. After that, click on confirm. And you will get your password and enrollment ID to your phone number. Enter that enrollment ID. After entering enrollment ID and password, solve this. So if you click on login, you can see all these columns: exam, personal, address, degree, documents and declaration. 6 columns are there. Each column you need to open and enter your details and click on save. So after saving one column, open the second column like personal, enter your personal details and click on save. After that, open address. So the next column is address. We have done already exam column, personal column. Next, address column. In the address column, enter the address. If you enter your PIN code, automatically it takes your country name. Next, enter the state name. After that, enter your address. So after entering your PIN code, India, state and your locality, click on save. So after saving your address, next enter degree. So in this column you need to enter the details of your college PIN code, country of college, university, state, union territory, college, city, town. First enter the college PIN code. Next enter the state name. Enter your roll number. Select qualifying degree, BTech or MTech or MA, BSc, BA, BCom. So click discipline of qualifying degree. Which branch are you? So select your branch. Next, have you graduated in the above degree? Yes or no? Click yes. Year of qualifying degree. So select your qualifying year. Degree awarding university or institute name. So JNTU University or enter the degree awarding university name. So JNTU or Osmania University or IIT or NIT. So select it. Write the college name also. So enter your college name. So after entering the details of your graduation, click on save. So after that, go to documents column. If you select on documents column, so it will ask upload color photo, upload signature, upload photo ID, upload category certificate, and be ready with these 4 things. So first upload the photograph, choose the file, so crop accordingly. After that, click on upload cropped image. After that, it shows your image. Then click on upload signature, choose your file, to upload a signature. So after that, crop it and upload cropped image. So your image and your signature shows here. After that, third one, upload photo ID. So you have entered your Aadhaar number, so upload the Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card, upload it. So after that, upload category certificate, upload. Upload it. So the size of the category certificate should be 10 KB to 600 KB. Again, edit your category certificate and upload it again. Yes. So now I have uploaded my photo, signature, photo ID like Aadhaar card, category certificate like caste certificate. Next, enter this information. How did you come to know about GATE 2026? Select here, and is it through GATE 2026 poster or social media or employment news or job website, and select anyone. Internet search. Next, what is the purpose of applying for GATE 2026 exam? Higher study or PSU job or preparation of exam. So select whatever your option, higher study, PSU job or preparation of exam. If your option is PSU job, select it. Next, click on save. Done. Data saved successfully. See, first column exam we have filled. Next, personal filled, address filled, degree filled, documents uploaded successfully. Next, final thing is that save, view application, review and submit. So open this view application, check all the details once. So is there any mistakes in this? Check. If any mistakes are there, edit application. Otherwise, you can go to home and you can edit application. Already you have entered all these details till documents. So anyway, you have seen by clicking on view application. Next, review and submit. Select. So after clicking on this review and submit, you will get this declaration. Read this declaration clearly and select this checkbox. Read this declaration clearly and click on this checkbox. So after that, type your full name as e-signature and verify application form and submit and proceed to payment. So after entering your full name as e-signature, so verify application form, submit and proceed to payment. So click on submit and proceed to payment. Or if you click on submit and proceed to payment, so it is showing that please click verify application form. So click on verify application form. So after clicking on this verify application form, your application form is downloaded. Now click on submit and proceed to payment. It shows that data once submitted cannot be modified later. Press continue to submit. Press cancel to go back to editing the application form. So after reading this, continue. Click on this continue. It shows again, are you sure? Data once submitted cannot be modified later. Press yes to submit. Press no to go back to editing the application form. So click on yes to go forward. So if you press OK, you'll get the note. Read this information and see that how much amount you need to pay. Check your name, enrollment ID and amount. After that, click on pay. First enter the billing information. So please enter the billing name, address, enter all the details like phone number, state name, city name, your mail ID, so after entering all the details, click on the payment mode, net banking or UPI. If you click on UPI, it shows like this. Click on generate QR. So it shows your QR. Open your phone pay or Google Pay. From there you can scan this and make the payment. So after completing the payment, your application will be successful. So be careful when you are filling all the details. All the best for your GATE 2026. Thank you. This is Mahesh Dole signing off.